Talk to me about levels. I mean, it's funny when I was a competitor, when I would get ballots back, it would always say,
Yeah.
there are no levels. And as a judge now in just about every ballot, I'm like, there are no levels. What the heck are levels and how do you get them into your speech? Let me clarify. When I say
Oh yeah.
levels, when I'm a coach, when I'm judging,
Yeah.
when I say levels, what I'm looking for is emotional differentiation.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Two things I hate to see in an Interp piece. One is the person remains at the same level.
Yeah.
Two is worse. They have two levels and they go angry, happy, angry, happy, angry, happy. Eat that. That's not how the world works, right? Just like a story has a beginning, it goes up, it hits its crescendo, it comes down in the falling action, and then ends. Your
Yeah.
emotional levels need to follow that. But if you start out in the beginning, he made me mad, and I got madder, and then I was mad, it was all over, I was mad. I'm like, there's no levels. And they're like, what? I was very emotional. No, different kinds of emotions.
Yeah.
And getting back to the piece that I recommend and practice with my students, my favorite has to be Lewis Carroll, The Jabberwocky.
Mm.
Because in the Jabberwocky, the words are completely nonsense. The entire context and meaning of the piece comes from the emotions that the person has to bring out when delivering the Jabberwocky. So, you know me, I love some was Brillig in the slithy toves, did gyre and gimble in the wave, all mimsy with orographs, and the long rats outgrave. Yeah, I love that stuff because you can make it into anything because the words mean nothing. And
Yeah.
so I will say, all right, first paragraph of the or stanza of the Jabberwocky, deliver it like you're afraid, deliver it like you're happy, deliver it like
Yeah.
you're confident. And I have them play with that over and over again so that they begin to realize that a word can be anything you want it to be if you combine it with the right emotional delivery.
Mm.
That's what I love to do, the Jabberwocky.